Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi Theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we had a great question. Somebody was asking about stopping the animation on a slider. Really easy to do with a little bit of code, but you can also add different types of animation. This first one I've got no animation on it. If I go to the next one, it's going to drop down from the top. Next one comes in from the left. Next one slides in from the right. Next one comes up from the bottom. Next one's going to flip in. And the other one's going to flip in around another axis. And the next one, no animation at all again. Really easy to do. We've got to drop a couple of little lines of code in our custom CSS to do this today, but any code I'll put below the video. Really easy to do. And I'll show you how to do this. Okay, well, let's get started. I'm going to enable the Visual Builder. Okay, once enabled, let's go down. I've got a section here, the blue tab. Inside, I've got a row, the green tab, with one column in it. And here's my little slider module, the dark module right here. Okay, well, I'm going to get rid of this slider and we'll add one that has no code in there. I've got one saved to my library, so I'm going to hit the little button. I'm going to say Add from Library. There's my little slider. And there it is. And here we've got the default slider. As you can see, the animations are rolling in and it sort of slides up a little bit there. And the question we had was, well, I want to stop that animation. I don't want any animation on the text there. Really easy to do. Let's go into the module itself. Now, if you want to do all of them at once, we'll go into the module. And in the main slider settings, we can go over to Advanced and Custom CSS. And if we roll down to the slide description field, we can put in a line of code. And don't forget, all this code I'll put down below the video for anybody who wants to copy and paste. So I've got a little line of code here, and it says animation name, none. And that's actually stopped those animations there. As it's sliding through, you can see that text is not animating at all now. Now, if you wanted to have different animations on each one, we can do that too. So we'll take this back away. And we'll go to our Content tab. And let's perhaps have the first one with no animation. So we'll go into our first slide here, again to the Advanced tab, down to Custom CSS. Down to our slide description. And we'll pop that in there. When you're happy, we'll save that and we'll roll on to the next one. Perhaps we'd like this one coming down from the top. So again, we're going into the second one, the Advanced, to the Custom CSS, down to the slide description. And let's have, say, fadeIn top. Save that one. And perhaps the next one we might have fading in from the left. Again, down to the description. As you can see, that's fading in the left. And the next one, perhaps we'd like to have a big fade in from the left or something like that. Let's go to our Advanced, Custom CSS. Down there again. Slide description. Let's actually have it from the right. I think we had the left last time. And I'm sure you get the idea. And there's several different ones. You can have it flipping in, you can have it fading in. Let's just save this. And if we go back out here, we'll start from the top. There's our first one. Got no animation at all on that one. Second one's going to drop down like that. Third one's coming in from the left there. And the fourth one is fading in long from the right. And there's several others, like I say. I've got a list of them. Like I say, I'll put it down below the video here. And you've got fade in, which is the regular. Top, left, right, bottom. Long fade in, top, left, right, bottom. And you can flip it in on the x-axis. And you can flip it in on the y-axis. And if you don't want any animation at all, you've got animation none there. And it really is as simple as that. Let's just make sure this is going to work on the front end. Save our changes here. And let's exit the Visual Builder. No animation on the first one there. I've got these set to 5 seconds. Drop down on the next one. Fade in from the left. And then we should have a long fade in from the right. There we go. So there you go, guys. That's how to add different animations to your Divi slider. Really easy to do. Tiny bit of code, but nothing to it. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have any questions, please drop them down below and I'll try and make a demo video for you. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.